Hey guys, and welcome to the video of unboxing Insta360 Go3. So, just received this package today. It's still wrapped. So, I bought this puppy, 128 gigabytes, and yeah, they gave me carry case for free. So, yeah, let's unbox it and see what's inside. So first of all, let's see what's inside this carry case. Oh my god, it's okay. I'll have to use the scissors to open it up, and I cut it out. So now let's see what's inside. It's just like my couch. It's pretty hard case. Yeah. So let's see what's inside the case. So yeah, inside of the case, yeah, here goes the little camera, here comes the battery pack. This is for cables, I guess, and I don't know what this is for, but this I guess is for the gimbal, which I don't have. But yeah, that's how the case for the camera looks like. Now there's some paper here. Doesn't matter. Blah blah blah. Ching chung chang. Ching ching chungy changy. Carry case. Chungy chungy changy. Okay. Pivot stand. Action pod. Mini 2-in tripod. Quick release mount. Easy clip goes there. Okay. So that's where things go. We don't need this. And yeah, let's see the real camera now. So that's the carry case. And this is the actual camera itself. I bought it in Midnight Black edition. So yeah, first we have to take out this foil and then see what's actually inside of this case. Now, how do I open you? How do I open you? How do I open you? Oh yeah, I open you like this. You just shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, baby. Because I only have one hand. Yeah. Available. Ooh, okay. So there you go. The little black camera. This is my hand. Ooh, it's even smaller than my thumbnail. See? So this is the actual camera with ching chung chang on the back. This is how it looks like in my palm. So to give you a comparison, so like my thumb, yeah, something like that. And yeah, that's the little baby that we'll be using when we go now to South America. And yeah, what else is in the box? Let's see. I pull this. Yes, I pull, and it opens. So we have user guide like that. It's from very thick paper. And then what's next? What's down there? Come on, baby. Open up. I hate these things. They don't like to open up, but yeah. Okay. So this is a clip. You can clip this on yourself and put the camera inside. This is magnetic pendant. Let's see if it works. Where is you? Oh yeah, it clips pretty strongly. Yeah. Ooh, it's a strong clip. Quite strong magnetic pendant. See? Bam. Bam. Oh, it's very strong. Very strong. So you put this around your neck or in the pocket, and then you just clip it onto yourself, onto the body. Or you use the actual clip like this, and you put it inside here and clip this onto your body. Yeah. Okay. Let's go for the next one. This one is the actual battery with a screen. So you put the camera here. Yeah, okay. And the last one. This is the mini stand, I guess. Yeah. So we'll mount this here. But where is the... There is no little... Okay. This is the mini thingy, MIDI stand that you put it here and put the camera there, so it stands somewhere. But there is no... Oh, maybe this is... Ah, this goes out. Okay. Yeah, I was trying to say there is no string to put this around my neck, you know. So yeah, it pulls out of this thingy. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Ta-da! It's still too small for my neck, so... Can I pull you more? Yes, I can pull more out. Okay, it goes like that. Okay, now I get the thingy. Yeah, it goes like, it's like wrapped around there. So, okay, now it's big enough to go around my neck. There you go. The little black camera. My new best friend on travel vlogging. Insta360 Go3. And yeah, we'll test this baby up in following days to see the footage. What's good about it is if I hold it like that on my body, or if I put it like this horizontally, I saw that you can choose in the application if you want to record vertically or horizontally, so you can do this post editing in the application. So that's a good thing if you want to do like shorts, or if you want to do like the long-term content. So yeah, got this baby up from China, directly from China. So yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video. That's it from Big Joe and his little cam now. I think I'll be carrying it on my teeth or something in between there while we'll be vlogging the next series that is coming up in May 2024 from South America, from Colombia. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. There we go again, the Insta360 Go3 action cam. Yeah, if you like the video, be sure to press like, share, subscribe, comment, put me down your comments below, and yeah, see you in my next one. Take care, guys. And an update on the camera. I installed the app on my phone, and when I tried to connect to it, Bluetooth wouldn't connect to it. It gave me some kind of error. I use Samsung phone, so now I'm trying to solve it with their technical support. So we'll see if they'll be able to solve it or not. Plus, when I'm charging it, you see on the back, it charges the case, but in the front, the little camera doesn't have the red light that is charging. So I think that might be another issue. So maybe this puppy is going back. Yeah, that's all I have to say for now, guys. Okay. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.